Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm hungry right now.
I'm hungry.
I'm good. I'm good. Good.
Ini emang jam-jam rawan ya.
Iya. Belum sarapan, belum makan siang.
Before we start today lessons, let's pray together. Pray. Begin. Ina, sebelum ibu mulai nih, ibu punya beberapa pertanyaan. Yang pertama itu, have you ever introduced yourself to a new friend?
Yes. Of
Okay.
course.
And then, what information do you usually to tell when introducing yourself?
Name.
Yes, good.
Age.
And
Hobby. Dream job.
okay, excellent. Okay, benar semua ya. Tuh.
Gender.
And then the next is the learning objective. Okay, by the end of these lessons, you will able to introduce yourself using appropriate expressions and then introduce others confidently and answer simple personal information politely. And then after this, you will perform a short role play with your partner. Okay, miss. Okay, the next is okay. The first is let's observe. Look at the picture. Look at this ya guys. Perhatikan baik-baik. Ini lagi apa dan di mana. Bisa kalian bayangkan lagi di mana ya. Okay. And then the questions is where are they? School?
Maybe school.
Okay. Bisa di sekolah.
Perpustakaan kan bisa.
Ya,
Sekolah.
Benar.
Good.
And what are you doing? What are they doing?
Introduce themselves.
Talking.
Mau salaman. Talking.
Ya, bisa. Boleh semuanya. Have you ever introduced yourself to a new friend?
Yes. What miss?
Okay, great. And then the next is I will show some of vocabulary. The first is introduce. Dan artinya itu kayak memperkenalkan. For the example is let me introduce myself. And then the next is hometown. Artinya kota asal, tempat kalian lahir atau tempat kalian berasal itu disebutnya hometown. Okay, for the example is my hometown is Samarinda.
Samarinda. Berapa?
And the next is hobi. Hobi ya, hobi kalian, kesukaan kalian apa ya kan? For the example is my hobby is reading.
But my hobby is singing.
Okay, good. And then the next is dream job. Kayak ya, nih cita-cita kerjaan.
My dream job is to be a grandma.
Wow. Keren, Mel. Okay. And the last is classmate. Ada yang tahu apa itu classmate?
Teman sekolah.
Benar, ada jawabannya ya di sini. Oke, kan tadi udah kita belajar tentang vocabulary ini. Oke, kita kembali ke yang ini. Ketua kelas bisa dibagi.
Chelsea, Bu.
PD-nya
Chelsea,
ini.
Bu. Oke, Miss.
Juga suka dikerjakan sama teman-teman ya.
Ini harus kerjain ya, Miss.
Ya,
Bisa nggak,
mudah-mudahan
Miss?
kalau itu.
Welcome. Tutup mata bisa, Miss?
Bisa. Okay, now please take up your exercise and then we will complete it step by step ya.
Oke,
Nanti
oke.
kalian harus fokus banget sama materi hari ini. And then ya, kita tadi udah belajar tentang vocab. And the next is the useful expressions. Okay, now let's learn some useful expressions. Okay, if we get some if we greet to someone, we can say when it's good morning, hello, and hi. And then the next is for asking personal information. You can say where are you from, what is your hobby, and what is your dream job. And for your responding can be nice to meet you and nice to meet you too. And then the next is for the example dialogue. Ada yang bisa bantu ibu untuk baca?
Saya.
Boleh maju ke depan ya.
Saya juga mau.
Baca.
Dia aktif banget dari tadi. Iya.
Baca yang nyanyi.
Oke. Nana, I'm George. Good morning. My name is Nana. I'm a new student. Good morning, Nana. I'm George. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from Samarinda. How about you? I'm from Yogyakarta. What is your hobby? I enjoy watching movies. What about you? I enjoy listening to music. What is your dream job? My dream job is to be a pilot. How about you? My dream job is to be a teacher. That's wonderful. I hope your dream comes true.
That's very good ya teman-teman. And then let's discuss. Kita sambil kerjain yang tadi ibu kasih ya.
Oke.
Miss. Oke nih. Ada yang bisa jawab nomor
Mi.
1.
Mi.
Pak, siapa?
Nana.
Oke. Second.
Aku.
Oke.
Samarinda.
Oke, benar. Ya, next.
ya?
Next.
Mi.
Oke.
Yogyakarta.
Oke, benar. And then the next. John's dream job.
Mi.
Oke. Siapa?
Bentar. Thailand.
Yeah, benar. And then the last one.
Mi.
Oke.
Listening to music.
Oke, benar.
Yeay.
Semua jawaban kalian ya. Jangan lupa isi tugas kalian.
Udah, Miss. Oke, Miss.
And then the next is ini cari teman kalian untuk kalian interview dan tanya beberapa pertanyaan ini. And then remember ya guys, speak politely and listen carefully and write your partner's answers.
What is your name?
Silakan bertanya. Silakan interview teman-teman kalian ya. Itu kasih waktu sekitar 5 menit cukup.
Cukup, ya. Yes. What is your name? What is your name? Amalia Hafsa. Where are you from?
Okay guys, time is up. Have you done?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'd like to one page to perform your dialogue in front of the class.
We.
Okay guys. Ingat ya, kalian harus use appropriate expressions, speak clearly, and be confident.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Okay, Sipa and Chelsea. Okay. Take your time, guys.
Okay, start, Miss.
Yes, boleh.
Good morning. My name is Siva. I'm a new student. Good morning. My name is Chelsea. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from Yogyakarta. Oh, how about you? I'm from Sabah. And what is your hobby? My hobby is singing. What about you? My hobby is swimming. Swimming? Yeah, swimming. My dream job to be a actress. How about you? My dream to be a teacher. Okay, that's great. Thank you. Yay!
Okay Okay guys, your pronunciation is quite clear and next time try to speak a little louder. And for the last is let's reflect. Take a moment to think about today's lessons. The question is, what did you learn today?
Introduce
Okay, good. And which activity did you enjoy the most?
Knowing how to introduce self.
Okay. And the last is, how confident are you in introducing yourself and others in English?
Okay, good.
Okay, good. Wonderful ya teman-teman.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Thank you. And then today we learn how to introduce ourselves, introduce others, and ask and answer personal information politely, and perform a short dialogue confidently. I'm very proud of you participants today, guys. Thank you for your hard work. See you.